Hey guys, my name is Anthony. This is Trigger Therapy. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a big event. We're going to be testing how good is a GLOCK P80. I got a GLOCK 19 here. It's an 80% lower. It's got cutout slides. It's red dot ready. It's got serrations. It's got cutouts in the slide. This thing's a cool gun. Check this sucker out. Beautiful, cool looking. Is it worth it? Is it reliable? Let's find out. Let's take it through some torture tests. Let's see if it's accurate. Let's check it out. We got a failure. So that's about 5 shots in. We had a failure to feed, and my guess is we had a failure to eject as well. Not the most reliable gun. Maybe I need to run it through. Maybe I got to put like 500 rounds through it, 1,000 rounds through it, 10,000 rounds through it, 1,000,000 rounds through it for this sucker to start working. Well, you know what? Let's keep going. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it can dump a mag. Let's see what happens. Doesn't want to cycle. It could have been a mag problem. Let's see what happens. Okay, that ran through. Keep going. Let's drop another mag. Here's the thing about Polymer 80s. If you know anybody that has a Polymer 80, they're always running 33 round mags. They're never GLOCK mags. I'm not testing GLOCK mags in this sucker right now. They're always gonna be like KSI or Second Amendment. A lot of times if you see a guy with a Polymer 80 mag, they're gonna have a really stupid mag, like with logos on it. See that? It shows the people the logo. Okay, so you guys know what I'm talking about. So this is gonna be for a typical P80 owner. You know what you're getting yourself into when you buy stupid mags, one, and then when you buy non-GLOCK OEM parts. Oh, failure to feed. Let's see, let's keep going. Barely went in. Okay. Let's run one more. Let's run the one with the skull on it. Okay, because that's what we're doing. Failure to feed. So basically we figured out it's not the most reliable gun. It might be the mags. It could be the mags. It's a highly chance it's the mags. But you know what? There's a big chance it's the P80 as well. But above this, we're going to be doing some torture testing. We're going to be doing a mud test. Usually you do this with super reliable guns, but we're going to give it a shot. We're going to be doing it with the P80. Let's see what happens. Let's see, maybe all it needs is some water. Maybe it just needs some mud. Let's go. So we're gonna be doing a mud test right now. The only way for me to get water up here to the mountain is water bottles. So I brought a wheelbarrow. We got some good old-fashioned dirt from Mother Nature. You know, make sure you recycle, guys. Remember, this is a liberal channel.
Get more water in there.
Yeah? Think so? Let's get it going. Look at this. That was one of our followers. He wasn't a follower. He was a random guy, but you want to see what we're doing? got a quick debate on me whether Polymer 80s are the most reliable handguns there. I said they're not. He said they are. So check out the video and we'll go from there. A few rounds. Mag in the chamber, loaded. Let's see if it's gonna shoot. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be doing. See what happens. Guys, make sure, look at this. Okay, this is pretty bad. This is this is pretty bad, guys. Like, I'm getting really dirty for you guys, and not in that sense, you know. Don't think like that. This is gonna get me real muddy, so I need a couple subs and a few likes on this video. So let's see what happens. Oh, failure to eject. Check this out. Failure to feed. Okay, let's try. Run it again. Failure to shoot. Failure to eject. Failure to feed. Failure to feed. Okay, let's try a different mag. Are you still recording? Okay, we're gonna run a different mag. Let's run a clean mag, dirty gun. Let's see what happens. Failure to feed. Failure to feed. Failure to shoot. Yeah, I hate to break it to you guys, but I don't think this is the most reliable gun. So it could be the mags, guys. It could be the mags, but no, it doesn't want to shoot, guys, at all. Like, we went through the trigger on it. Let me show you. Look at this. Okay, so is it better on camera right here? Can you see that? Okay, so watch. You want to pull it? It doesn't want to connect at all. Oh, slide doesn't want to work. Okay, so that's our conclusion. Polymer 80s are not as reliable as Glocks. I would say spend that extra $100, get yourself a Glock. There's cheaper options that are really reliable. PSA daggers make great options, and there's always clones. But I would just say stick to Glocks. This ain't worth it. These things they got some cool factors, some cool features on it. Don't fall for gimmicks. I'm out.